I guide you to find downloaded videos on PC on YouTube. So let's hop into the YouTube. From there, let's scroll to find a video where you can download. Let's say I'm tapping on this. And if you scroll down, you could find the download option here. Let's say for some videos, you need to get the YouTube Premium. You can tap on Get YouTube Premium, and you can make the payment there. And after that, you can download by YouTube Premium also. Now, let's say if you tap on download, so I need to get back. From there, I can tap on downloads. I could see that has been downloaded. So I can get back again. From there, you could tap on download. This is not downloading for me for some reason. Again, I can tap on that. Tap on download. Let's say if your device has a limit for downloading videos, you can download them. It is not downloading for me. So I can scroll to find any of the other video which I can download. Let's say I'm tapping on this again. From here I could see download. So you could see that's this video has been downloading. Now let's say if you need to find the downloaded videos, you need to tap on the three lines here, which is below the YouTube icon. So from here you need to scroll down to find U. In the U you could find the downloads, and from here you could see just now I have downloaded this video, and even in the offline you can watch these videos. So this is how you could find YouTube videos downloaded on PC. Thank you.